Here's how to fix if the left or right AirPod is not working. Now, if you're on your AirPods here and one of them is not working, not connecting, doesn't have battery, something like that, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, there are a couple different options that we have that we'll walk through. The first one is you need to open up the case for your AirPods, AirPods Pro. It doesn't really matter which generation you have. This all works the same. So once you've opened up the case, it will connect to your phone. So let's tap on the settings icon. And you should see here right under family, it says my AirPods lefty and righty. I can tap on it to see it. Now, if you don't necessarily see it there, you can also just go into Bluetooth here. And there you can see under my devices is lefty and righty. I can tap on the little I button and it pops me into the same screen. Now, a couple different things to check. The first thing we'll check is charge. So it says on here, my case has 42% and the left and right AirPods 100%. However, let's say this didn't have a full charge or it had issues running low. Basically, just try to plug it in. You probably have already gone through this process of just plugging it in, but if you haven't necessarily already plugged it in, just go through that process of plugging in and charging it. The next thing that we'll do is go to the very bottom on this screen here, and we're gonna hit forget this device. Essentially, this will disconnect your AirPods from your phone. So let's hit forget device here and forget. Now this will remove it again from this AirPods. Don't worry, we'll add it back in there. So you can see after I've done that, basically this AirPod is disconnected from this one. The next thing we'll do is factory reset your AirPods. So we're gonna set down the iPhone here because at the very back of the AirPod case, you'll be able to see a little button. It is essentially white, the same as the surrounding case, but you can see a little circle right there. You're just gonna tap and hold on that circle and I'll show you what that does. So we're going to tap and hold on it for about 15 seconds. And you can see this light goes from blinking white here and it will change colors. So essentially, once it starts to reset as you're holding it, it will start blinking to a different color. So there we can see it's blinking to amber or orange. So keep holding it until it goes through the entire process of blinking into that orange icon, because that's an indication that you have now factory reset your AirPods and your AirPods case. So let's close this up here and now we'll go back into our iPhone. So if you maybe disconnect from this, what we're gonna do is open up your AirPods case again, and it will pop up with a nearby phone and it says AirPods Pro. I can hit connect here and we are reconnecting the AirPods. Let's hit not now here and set up later and done. Now, after going through this process, I can tap on the little I right next to it and you can see here, okay, it's reconnected to everything. We've forgotten it or removed it from our phone and factory reset it. The very last step that you can do is go back out here. We'll set our AirPods down here because we'll tap on general and then scroll to the very bottom and hit transfer or reset iPhone. And we'll tap on reset and reset network settings. So once we're in network settings here, we can enter the passcode for our phone and we'll just hit reset network settings. Again, this resets everything, any kind of configuration that might be causing issues with your AirPods automatically connecting to your phone, maybe the left one or the right one. It's usually the left one in my instance. It's usually that left AirPod tends to not work as well, but just reset this network settings. And then by going through all three of these steps, everything should be up and running. And anytime you put those AirPods into your ear, they should automatically connect and start playing music or accept a call or anything like that. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.